Hi everyone, this is Magali from Daily French Lesson, and today I'm gonna give you a tip that you might not know when you are trying to use imparfait and to conjugate it in a French sentence. If you are an English speaker, I often hear this little mistake, so I'm gonna give you a tip and maybe this is gonna help you to understand it better. I often hear people translating it literally as, if you wanna say, je regardais une série. And you maybe say it, j'étais regardé une série. So remember that when you are conjugating the imparfait in French, you only have one verb. You don't need an auxiliary or anything else. The verb that you actually need to conjugate in French with the imparfait is the verb to watch, regarder. We know that the endings of the imparfait are always the same. This is one of the conjugation that doesn't really change. These are the endings, les terminaisons. AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, AIENT. So this is the verb regarder conjugated with the imparfait. So you are actually gonna say, je regardais une série. In English, when you are saying I was watching, you kind of forget the was. So in French, you don't need it at all. The was is here to tell you that you have to conjugate the verb in the imparfait. So the only verb that you need to conjugate is the verb that you want to use, not was or were whenever you use it in English. I hope that makes sense and that you understand it better. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else that's maybe confusing about the imparfait, and I'll make sure to create another video about it. Bye!